Alrighty guys, and today we're going to be putting together the Mainstays Task Desk Chair. Just under $30 right there on local Walmart. Link down below in the description if you want to check that out. If you're looking for a little task chair to sit on, there's no arms on these, okay? This is when you sit on to move around. Alright, now you got everything unboxed, right? Everything unwrapped, everything out of the box, blah, blah, blahs. Take your little casters here, right into these holes. Probably might pinch yourself on this. You're gonna have to grasp it, but they just slide right down inside of each one of these quarters. Alright, chair's done. Alright, next thing you need is your little piston. I don't know what it's actually called. I call it a piston. And then you slide your sleeve here, which is bent. But just make sure she is able to unfold and slide it back down in there. Not a big deal. Alright, for the next step, you take the seat, actual seat. The instructions are calling this the seat cushion. That's not very cushiony. But anyway, the holes on the back end are the back of the chair, and so the front is the opposite of that. And this actual cushion part is the front. So we're just going to use that to slide the cushion on, and it wants you to do this part last. I don't know why you would want to do this part last. I think it'd be easier to do it while you can move it around. Where you need to move it to, right? Wouldn't that be easier? I don't know. I think so. All right. Now you take your and see those two holes? They're gonna line up with these two holes. So slide those down in there, and find a way to hold it, right? And then there's two holes on the back side of the back rest here, and there's two bolts. Just put those bolts in there. A little bit of hand tight first, a little bit of hand moving. Make sure it's started. That way you're not misthreading it and, tearing it all up. It's kind of important to not tear it up. And hand threading them to start, save you from doing bad stuff. Now you can use the supplied Allen wrench, but it is a hex 5. And if you have a driver, an electric driver, put it around hand tight, which to me, for this one, it's set for hand tight. And, go ahead and get those tight. Now we'll take the tool out here just to double check, just to make sure we're tight enough. Because if I take this to the if I take my driver to the next setting, it's way beyond hand tight. So I don't want to do that and then shred it. A little bit tight. Right, so tighten it up a little bit. Which that's the only reason to use these, right? I mean, finish that tightening up. Just put a little extra bit. Because if I would turn that driver up to the next setting, it would right through it. Alright, next thing you do, hole right here. Right on the hinge. And then slam it down, nice and tight. Okay. Now if we lift up on it, there we go. Okay. So chairs together. It was that simple, that easy. Has a little handle here to adjust the height. Pull up on it to go up, and then it should rest down again whenever it's released. But she swivels. Okay, and she's on wheels. So go kart races, go!